Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful fantasy ebook cover in Canva, step by step. And I'll also show you how to add an alt text for accessibility. Quick disclaimer: I'm not a professional designer. I'm an indie author who creates my own book covers. I learn by experimenting, trying, failing, and improving. The first step is to set up the correct dimensions for your ebook cover. On the Canva homepage, click Create a Design, and then choose Custom Size. For ebooks, the recommended size is 1600 by 2560 pixels. This size works well for Amazon Kindle and most other ebook retailers. And now you can name your file and be sure you will find it later if need to reuse this project for the series covers, for example. Next, we need a background that sets the right mood for a fantasy story. In Canva, click on Photos or Backgrounds and search for keywords like fantasy, castle, magic forest, or mystical sky. Pick an image that feels atmospheric and dramatic. Once you've chosen, drag it into place. You can adjust it with filters or by cropping. Now it's time to add a main graphic that really makes your cover stand out. Go to Elements and search for something related to your story, like a dragon, a glowing sword, a fairy, or a magic orb. In my case, I am looking for the golden dragon in a circle. The goal is to create depth and instantly show readers. This is a fantasy book. I will add some elements to my graphic, and you can choose what your cover design requires. I want to add a contrasting background to the golden circle and some additional elements to the central graphic. Yes, it takes time, but we need patience when working with the visual elements of our book. I'll check the position of each element and place them in the right order, or make other corrections if needed. Let's add the book title. Click on Text, add a heading. Type your title, for example, Throne of Flames. Pick a fantasy-style font like Cinzel or Crimson Pro. Be sure to check the usage terms for your ebook or paperback. Make the title large enough to read in a small thumbnail. Now let's choose a font color. Pick a color that matches the mood of your fantasy story and contrasts with the background. Next, let's arrange the main image and the title. Keep them balanced so neither one overwhelms the other. The central picture should draw the eye first, while the title should remain clear and readable. This balance creates a stronger, more professional-looking cover composition. You can also add effects like glow, shadow, or outline to make the title stand out even more. Under the title, add an author name. It should be smaller than the title but still clear. Keep fonts consistent. Using only one or two in total will make the cover look professional. You can also add a subtitle, like a fae fantasy romance or book 1 in the Fireborn saga. Well, I'm not a perfect cover designer, so I'm using 3 different fonts here. Why? Because I want the subtitle to complement the title, not compete with it, and to look different from the author name's font. Now we should rethink the final cover composition. For this design, I'm using a simple, balanced arrangement of all the cover elements. Clear hierarchy makes the cover easy to read, even as a small thumbnail. For this cover, I'm using the same color and font effects for the title, subtitle, and author name. This last step is very important, adding alt text. Alt text is a short description of your cover that helps visually impaired readers. When you upload to Amazon KDP or share on social media, include alt text in the image settings. For example, fantasy ebook cover with a golden dragon in a golden circle. Title: Throne of Flames by Misha Quinn. Keep it short, descriptive, and always include the title and author name. This improves accessibility and also helps your SEO. When creating my cover in Canva, alt text can only be added to individual images, not to a grouped image. So I ungroup the elements of my central image, add alt text to each one, and then group them again. This way, every important element of the cover is described, making it more accessible and improving the overall quality of the design. Sometimes Canva provides AI-generated alt text. Feel free to use it if it works for your cover. Not all elements need alt text. For instance, a circle around the dragon can be marked as decorative. Now let's polish everything. Look at your cover as a whole. Is the title clear? Are the elements balanced? A good tip is to zoom out and view it as a thumbnail, because that's how most readers first see it on Amazon. When you're happy, click Download. Choose PNG or JPG for ebooks, and a 300 dpi PDF if you also need a print version. And don't forget to save your design in Canva for future edits.